Good morning to all. This is for class 6 MSc. Class 6, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 8. Be wise, refuse to listen to gossip. Role play. Geeta. Rashmi, did you hear about Tina? She is in love with Rakesh and is planning to elope. Rashmi, yes, I too heard it. He is not of a good character. He will dump her once he get another girl in his life. His family is known for this. Meanwhile, Tina enters the scene. Now a scene is going on and Geeta and Rashmi are having conversation. Geeta is saying that, Rashmi, do you know Tina is in love with Rakesh? Then Rashmi is saying, yes, I also heard this and I also heard like this. Rakesh is not of good character and once he will get another girl, he will dump Tina. Now Tina entered in the scene. Now what happened? Tina said, dear friends, both seems to be engrossed in a serious discussion. Can I also know what it is? I think something very serious discussion is going on. So let me know what is the thing that you are discussing about. So Geeta said, surely, why not? We were talking about the Sharma family. They are having a hard time handling their son, which is a drug addict. Now, immediately Geeta changed the topic. She said, yes, we are having a discussion about Sharma and his family. They are having very hard time as their son got a drugs addict. So this was the scene that took place. By this we can say there was only and only idle gossip and nothing fruitful talk was there. Now coming on to let us explore. Every owner of a restaurant is on guard against food poisoning. Just a couple of cases of it and his customer won't come near his place. We have got laws to protect the public against hundreds of body poisons. We put poison on the top shelves so the kid cannot reach them. We go to any extreme to avoid body poison, and it is good that we do. So in this paragraph it is explained that every restaurant owner have one guard against food poisoning. Means they are keeping poison away from the food. They protect people from body poison and they also keep the poison on top of the shelf so that no any kid should touch that. So in this way they are doing their level best to save human from poison. But there is another type of poison, perhaps a little more dangerous, known as thought. Poison commonly called gossip. But there is another type of poison which is actually more dangerous than poison, and it is known as gossip. Thought poison is subtle, but it damages greatly. It reduces the size of our thinking by forcing us to concentrate on petty, unimportant things. It wraps and twists our thinking about people because it is based on distortion. It also creates a guilt feeling in us when the person whom we gossip about across to us. Thought poison is 0% right thinking and 100% wrong thinking. So another name of poison which is described in this paragraph is gossip. We should avoid gossip as more as possible because it is of no use. Plus, when we are talking something about the person, and that when that person crossed to us, we felt a little bit guilty. So that's why it is said, thought poison is 0% right thinking and 100% wrong thinking. Now, rumors versus gossip. What is the difference between rumor and gossip? A rumor is an information that is not verified. Means it can be true or not. That is passed verbally between people. Gossip is similar to rumor, but may not be verified, but it deals with personal or private affairs of others. Rumor can be a gossip, but not vice versa. So, a rumor is an information which is not verified, means we cannot say whether it is true or it is not true, but it is passed verbally from people to people. And gossip is also similar to the rumor. It is also not verified, but it deals with the personal affairs. So it is said that rumor can be gossip, but gossip cannot be rumor. We know that conversation is a big part of our psychological environment. Some conversation is healthy and it encourages us. It makes us feel like we are taking a walk in the warm sunshine on a spring day. Some conversations make us feel like a winter, but other conversation is more like walking through a poisonous radioactive cloud. It shocks us. It makes us feel ill. It turns us into a loser. So, it is good to have conversation, but that conversation should be fruitful, should be on a subject which will increase our knowledge, which will enhance our knowledge. So that is why it is said that if we are doing conversation, we are sometimes feeling like we are walking in a warm sunshine on a spring day. While some conversation are like this, that we feel we are going through a poisonous or radioactive cloud. So such type of conversation will turn us into a loser. That is why we should always avoid such type of conversation. We all stumble in many things. If anyone does not stumble in word, he or she is a perfect human being, able to control the whole body and mind, just as crumbs in horse mouth and rudder that control the ship. So too are the words that come out of our mouth. Whenever we are talking or we are saying something, we should first of all think what we are saying. Because as much as we have control over us, the more fruitful our life will be. So that's why it is said, as the crumbs in the horse mouth, so our words are that are coming off our mouth. So we should always think and speak, and we should not use more idle things, idle gossips. We should avoid idle conversation, idle gossip, in order to have a good and fruitful life. Why do rude, unkind words leap from our lips? Is there any remedy? Yes, there is. The remedy begins with a change in the heart, our heart, because out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. There is only one way to change the unruly tongue, and that is to transfer the heart. Now, if we are in the habit of using such rude language, we should change it, because it will hurt others. So, this is what explained in the paragraph. If we are doing so, is there any remedy? any medicine for this? Yes, there is. And what is it? We should change our heart. We should use polite language. We should unruly tongue. We should change it. Only and only then we will able to be polite with the others. We will able to escape from the gossips. So for today, till here is the explanation of the chapter. The remaining explanation of the chapter I will provide you in next video. Thank you.